Welcome to the How to Daily channel. As you know, the OBS software is widely used to make a screen recording, streaming on YouTube or Facebook platforms. I also use OBS to record tutorial videos for others. But there was a problem after the installation. You make a screen recording, only see a black screen. Don't you worry. Today I will guide everyone how to fix this situation. First, go to Start Typing Settings. Then go to the System. At the Display tab, you pull it down. Select Graphics Settings. Here we need to add the OBS by pressing Browse. Go to the OBS installation path. Add the ESHA file here. If you don't know where is the OBS installation path, then we can check by following. Go out to the desktop. Right-click on OBS Studio. Select Properties. In the target field, it is the path to the OBS installation folder. Let's go to this path. C-Disk, Program Files, OBS Studio, Bin, 6 for bit. Select OBS 60 for .esha. Press Add. Next, click on the option. We choose Power Saving and press Save. So we've fixed the situation. Black screen when using OBS. I wish everyone success. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.